Page 256, talking about the weather. I'm going
I'm going
to ask you the same question
to ask you the same
in
question
two different ways.
in two different ways.
Here's the first way.
Here's the first way.
What it's like outside.
What is like outside?
Here's the second way.
Here's the second
What's the weather?
way. What's the weather?
The weather is what it's
The weather is what is
like outside.
like outside.
Did you think about the weather today?
Did you think about the weather today?
Maybe you did,
Maybe you did.
without even
Without even
realizing it.
realizing it.
What kind of clothes
What
did
clothes
you wear today?
did you wear today?
The weather
The weather
had a lot
had a lot
to do with your clothes,
to do with clothes,
to do with your choice.
to do with your choice.
No matter
No matter
where people live,
where people live,
they talk about the
they call about the
weather.
weather.
It's something everybody
It's something everybody
shares.
shares.
When it's cold
When it's cold
outside,
outside,
we shiver.
we shiver.
When it's pouring
When it's pouring
rain, we need raincoats
raincoats
or umbrellas.
or umbrellas.
When it's hot
When it's hot
and humid
and humid
means the air
means the air
is moist
is moist
and sticky.
and sticky.
We sweat
We sweat
and want a
and want a
cold,
cold,
icy drink.
icy drink.
What do we talk about
What do we talk about
when we talk about the weather?
when we talk about the weather?
Temperature.
Temperature.
Again, temperature.
Temperature.
Is it hot
Is it hot
or cold?
or cold?
Cool
Or
or warm?
warm?
The temperature
The temperature
goes up
goes up
and down.
and down.
When the sun comes up,
When the sun comes up,
it warms the
it
air
warms the air.
and the temperature
And the temperature
goes up.
goes up.
When the sun goes down,
When the sun goes down,
the air
the air
gets cooler
gets cooler
and the temperature
and the temperature
goes down.
goes down.
The temperature
The temperature
changes
changes
with the seasons.
with the seasons.
In many places,
In many places,
summer days
summer days
are usually warm
are usually warm
or hot.
or hot.
In most places,
In most places,
the temperature in summer
the temperature in
is
summer
much
is much
higher than
higher than
in the winter.
in the winter.
Winter days
Winter days
are usually cool
are usually cool
or cold,
or cold,
clear or cloudy.
clear or cloudy.
Look up in the sky.
Look up in the sky.
Is it a clear day
It is a clear day
or On a clear day,
On a clear day,
the sun shines
the sun shines
in a bright blue sky.
in the bright blue sky.
Or is it a cloudy day?
Or it is a cloudy day.
Or a partly cloudy
Or a
day?
partly cloudy day.
Which means
Which means
some clouds,
some clouds,
but also some blue sky.
but also some blue sky.
Page 257 continue. Clouds are made
Clouds are made
of very tiny drops
of many kinds
of water
of water,
or tiny bits
or tiny birds
of ice.
of ice.
Clouds come
Clouds come
in different shapes,
in different shapes,
sizes,
sizes,
and colors.
and color.
Are there any clouds
Are there any clouds
in the sky now?
in the sky now?
Are they big,
Are they big,
white,
white,
and puffy?
and puffy,
Or are they
or are they
white streaks
white streaks,
or dark gray stripes?
or dark gray stripes?
Or is the sky
Or is the sky
covered over
covered over
with a blanket
with a blanket
of gray
of gray
clouds
clouds,
so thick that you can't
so thick that you can
see through
see through
to the sun?
to the sun?
A thick blanket of
A seasonal blanket of
gray clouds
gray clouds
sometimes means
sometimes
that
means
rain is coming.
that rain is coming.
The wind.
The wind.
Is the air calm
Is the air calm
and still?
and still,
Or is the wind blowing?
or is the wind
The wind
blowing?
is moving air.
The wind is moving air.
You can't see the wind,
You can see the wind,
but you can see the way
but you can see the way.
the wind
The wind
moves the
moves the
branches of trees
branches of trees,
or carries
or carries
a kite
a kite
higher and higher,
higher and higher,
or blows your hat
or blows your head
off your head.
of your hair.
Sometimes
Sometimes
the wind blows
the wind blows
gently
gently
and feels good.
and felt good.
Sometimes the wind
Sometimes the wind
blows hard
blows hard
and brings
and brings
stormy weather.
stormy weather.
I do not mind
I do not mind
you, winter wind.
you, winter
I
wind.
do not mind you,
I do not mind you,
winter wind.
winter wind.
When you come
When you come
whirling by,
whirling by,
or tickle me
or tickle me
with snowflakes
with snow
drifting softly
falling softly
from the sky.
from the sky.
I do not even
I do not even
mind you
mind you
when you nibble
when you nibble
at my skin,
at my skin,
scrambling
trembling
over all of me,
all of me,
attempting to get in.
attempting to get in.
But when you blow
But when you blow
me over
me over,
and I land on my behind,
and then I am my,
then I must
then I must
tell you,
tell you,
winter wind,
winter wind,
I mind,
I mind,
I really mind.
I really mind.